Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 17P, chapter volume and surface area of solids of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start for students. My first question is question number 2. A cone of height 20 centimeter. A cone of height 20 centimeter and radius of the base is 5 centimeter. And radius of the base is 5 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. Okay. A child reflects it into the form of a sphere. एक child जो है उसे फिर से एक स्फीयर के रूप में तैयार करता है, रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, फिर से उसको शेप प्रदान करता है स्फीयर को. फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ द स्फीयर. एक कोन हाइट 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड द बेस रेडियस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, मेड अप ऑफ मॉडलिंग क्ले. स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. First of all, find the volume of the cone. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. That is 1/3 into 22/7 and r equal to 5 centimeter is the radius. 5 multiply 5 and height is 20 centimeter. That is 20. Okay. So students, 1/3 multiply pi multiply 5 multiply 5 into 20. Okay, and the volume of the sphere, volume of a sphere equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4/3 pi r cube. So both the value, according to questions, the volume of the cone is equal to the volume of the sphere. Okay, so according to questions, volume of the cone is equal to volume of a sphere. Okay, so volume of the cone is 1/3 pi multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 20 is equal to 4/3 multiply pi multiply r cube. Okay, so 3 is cancel, pi is cancel. Okay, so student 4 5 ja 10. So r cube equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, then r equal is cube roots of 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 equal to 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Then diameter of the sphere is 2 multiply 5, that is 2r, 10 centimeter. So diameter of the sphere is 10 centimeter. Okay, students, our next question is question number 4. A solid metal cone, a solid metal cone with radius of base is 12 centimeter, with radius of base is 12 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter, and height is 24 centimeter is melted to form solid spherical balls of diameter 6 centimeter each. उसे melted करके सॉलिड स्फेरिकल बॉल्स बनाया जाता है जिसका डायमीटर कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स thus formed. तो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स फाइंड करना. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ मेटल कॉन. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h. So 1/3 into pi r square. R is the 12 centimeter, क्योंकि radius of the base is 12 centimeter. So 12 multiply 12 and the height is 24 centimeter. That is 24 cubic centimeter. Okay, this is the volume of the cone and the volume of the spherical ball. Volume of a spherical ball. A spherical ball, it means volume of the sphere equal to 4/3 pi r cube. that is 4 by 3 pi, and r diameter is 6 centimeter, then radius is 3 centimeter. 3 whole cube centimeter cube. Okay, for students 4 by 3 into pi into 3 multiply 3 cubic centimeter. 3 is cancelled, that is 4, 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36 pi cubic centimeter. So students, required number of balls is equal to volume of the cone divided by volume of each spherical ball. Okay, so required number of ball is equal to volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi multiply 12 multiply 12 multiply 24 and divided by volume of a spherical ball, that is 36 pi. Pi is cancelled, and 12 3 is 36 and 3 4 is 12 and 3 8 is 24, that is 8 4 is 32 ball. Okay, so students, required number of balls equal to 32. Okay, our next question is question number 7. A copper rod of diameter 2 centimeter. A copper rod of diameter 2 centimeter and length 10 centimeter is drawn into a wire of uniform thickness. And length 10 meter. Find the thickness of the wire. So let's start for students. Solution. First of all, find the volume of the copper rod, and this copper rod is the form of a cylinder. Okay, so volume of the copper rod, okay, is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. Capital R is the radius of the copper rod, and capital H is the height, is the length of the copper rod. So students, pi and R equal to 1 centimeter, because the diameter of the copper rod is 2 centimeter, so 1 का square, and height of that is the length is 10 centimeter. So students, 10 pi centimeter cube is the volume of the copper rod, and this copper rod is drawn into a wire. Fake wire draw here, uniform thickness of length 10 meter. So wire is also in the form of a cylinder. Okay, so volume of the wire is equal to pi r square h, that is pi and r square and h is 10 meter. 10 meter multiply 10 multiply 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, that is 10 meter equal to 10 multiply 100 centimeter cube. So students, in this question, according to questions, volume of the copper rod is equal to the volume of the wire. Okay, so according to questions, pi r square multiply 10 multiply 100 is equal to 10 pi centimeter cube. Centimeter cube is cancelled, pi is cancelled, 10 is cancelled. Okay, so r square equal to 1 by 100 and r is equal to root under 1 by 100, that is 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so students, 0.1 1 centimeter, and diameter of the wire is 2r, that is 2 multiply 1 by 10, that is 2 by 10 equal to 0.2 centimeter is the thickness of the wire. Thickness of the wire, it means the diameter of the wire. Okay, for 0.2 centimeter is the thickness of this one. 0.2 centimeter, that is 2 mm. 2 mm is the thickness of the wire. Okay, students, our next question is question number 11. A spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter. A spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. Recast into 3 spherical balls. The radii of 2 of these balls are 1.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the radius of the third ball. Okay, for students, a spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter. First of all, find the volume of the spherical ball with which radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, so let's start solution. Volume of the large spherical ball is equal to pi spherical 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi, and the radius is 3 centimeter, that is 3 का whole cube. Okay, that is 4 by 3 multiply pi multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 cubic centimeter. 3 3 is cancel, that is 36 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, this is the volume of the large spherical ball, and इस बॉल को मेल्टेड किया गया, मेल्ट करके छोटे छोटे 3 बॉल्स बनाएंगे स्फेरिकल बॉल, जिसमें से 2 का रेडियस दिया हुआ 1.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड 2 सेंटीमीटर. थर्ड का रेडियस फाइंड करना है. तो लेट द रेडियस ऑफ द थर्ड बॉल इज r. Radius of the third ball is r. For students, according to questions, volume of the large spherical ball is equal to the volume of small 3 spherical balls. Okay, so according to question, volume of the large spherical ball is equal to volume of 3 small spherical ball which radii is different. Okay, for students, volume of the large spherical ball is 36 pi cubic centimeter, and volume of the first ball is 4 by 3 pi r equal to 1.5 centimeter, that is 15 by 10 का whole cube, plus 4 by 3 pi multiply radius of the second ball is 2 centimeter, that is 2 का whole cube, plus 4 by 3 pi, and radius of the third ball is r centimeter, that is, or find the value of r cube. Okay, for students, 4 by 3 pi is common. 4 by 3 pi is common, that is 15 by 10 multiply 15 by 10 multiply 15 by 10 plus 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 plus r cube. Okay, that is 36 pi. Pi is cancelled. 9 4 ja 36 and 9 3 ja 27. 27 equal to 5 2 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 by 8 plus 8 plus RQ. Okay. So students, 27 is equal to 27 by 8 plus 8 plus RQ. Okay, and this imply RQ is equal to 27 minus 27 by 8 minus 8. Take LCM 8. 27 minus 8, that is 19, minus 27 by 8. So take LCM 8. 152 minus 27. 125 by 8. So students, here RQ equal to 125 by 8. That is R equal to Q roots of 125 by 8 and 125 को हम लोग लिख सकते 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That is 5 by 2. Okay. That is 2.5 centimeter is the radius of the third spherical ball. Okay.